How do you get through the divorce process and what process is best for you? My name is Doreen Yaffa. I am a marital and family lawyer, board certified, practicing now for 26 years. And one of the biggest questions that a client has when they come to meet with me is, how do I get through this and what process is best for me? So generally there's 5 different ways to get through a divorce. First way is typical litigation. It's when you file a pleading with the court known as a petition. You serve your spouse, they file a responsive pleading known as an answer, and then you go through the process that's pretty much in place based on the court system. Second way is collaborative divorce, and that is outside the courthouse. You have 2 collaboratively trained lawyers. I am also collaboratively trained. You have 1 forensic accountant called a neutral forensic accountant, 1 mental health professional, which generally deals with the children issues, and you meet and you produce records and you go through certain steps and you negotiate. Maybe you bring in a mediator, maybe not, and hopefully you're entering into a marital settlement agreement. Third way is known as limited representation. And basically that's when a lawyer represents you on a limited basis. Maybe they're coming in just to do a settlement agreement for you. Maybe they're gonna handle a hearing for you, something like this. The fourth way is known as consulting, and basically the lawyer is consulting you behind the scenes on what to do. So you might be filing your own pleadings, filing your own documents with the assistance and consultation of a lawyer. The 5th way is the do-it-yourself. It's the forms that you see online. We also have a product where we do kind of a combination in our firm. It's called Do It Yourself with Us. And basically you're doing some of the work and we're consulting with you. We're giving you legal advice through the process. So those are the general 5 ways to get through a divorce. I'll be explaining more about that. I have a webinar this Wednesday, the 17th of March at 11:45 for 1 hour. It's called From Confusion to Clarity, and I'll be talking more in depth about the processes of divorce, along with 2 other subjects. One is, am I ready to get divorced and what does that look like? The second one is the different processes of divorce, and the third is how do I get started? So I hope to see you there as well. And if you need anything on any level, divorce related, as always, just give us a call.